Hey class, Mr. Moeji here with another video to help you understand how to use the power rule. So here's a function, not a very pretty one, and the question that's not written here is what is its derivative? So find the derivative function f prime of x. So what is f prime of x? Well, we're not ready really to answer that question because right now our function is not in the proper form. It's not ready for prom, as my analogy goes. So remember that a function is ready to be used with the power rule when all of its terms are of the form ax to the n power. So you have some number, could be a fraction, a variable raised to some exponent, could be negative, could be a fraction, but some exponent. So right now we have roots and we have these ugly fractions within our problem, so that's kind of gross. So let's resolve that by fixing this function. So the cube root of x, that's x to the first power inside there, would be x to the 1/3 power. Not doing any calculus, just rewriting it. So be comfortable moving between these two representations. Minus 3, that's nice and clean, plus x to the -2. Once again, be comfortable moving between these two representations. So all of our terms appear to be in the proper form, so we're ready to use the power rule. So f prime of x would be, well, the coefficient 2 is going to stay out there. I'm going to bring this down out front, 1/3 x to the 1 less than a third. Well, if I take away 1 or 3/3 from a third, I have -2/3. The derivative of 3 is a constant, so goodbye. And here I have plus, well, I'm going to bring the exponent down, so -2x to the 1 less power would be -3. So let's clean this up. You'll notice in the instructions in your handout it says no negative exponents and no fractional exponents. So 2 times a third is simply 2/3. I'm going to rewrite this as a positive exponent going back using the same definition I used here earlier. 0 is irrelevant, so -2, 1/x cubed. So we're getting there. So combining fractions here, I have 2, 3, and then here I want to go once again backwards using the same definition we used earlier. So this would be the cube root of x squared. Why is it in the bottom? Because it's in the bottom here. -2/x cubed. It was an ugly function. It's still an ugly function. Sometimes life is like that.